Alright everyone, welcome back to another video. I want to start this one off by saying thank you so much for all the support you've given on the last couple of videos that I've uploaded. At the time of recording this, the Gatoron Yellow vs Ink Black video has gotten over 1,000 views. The About ID80 Plus video has gotten over 500 views within a week. So once again, thank you so much. I appreciate all the support. Alright, now let's have some real talk. The two things I get asked about the most when building a custom mechanical keyboard is the complexity of it and the price. I'm here today to tell you it's not going to cost you an arm and a leg to build a keyboard, and it's actually not that complicated. There's already a bunch of DIY mechanical keyboard kits on the market, as well as hot swap PCBs, which eliminates the need for soldering completely, which is great because I'm horrible at soldering. You really don't need much to get started. You just need your keyboard DIY kit, your choice of key switch, and your choice of keycaps. So just to showcase that today, we're going to build a keyboard for $101. Let's go. Now, if you've seen my first video that I ever posted, you'll recognize this box. This kit is made by the same company. After wrestling with the box for 10 seconds, you'll open it up and find that it has the standard stuff. An okay quality braided USB-C cable, configuration plate for a split spacebar, and a box containing both a keycap and key switch puller. And you'll also get the keyboard kit itself, as well as a small sheet detailing the shortcuts that can be used to access all the functions of the PCB. We'll be using the Gatoron Yellow switches for this build, already pre-lubed. Installing the switches is as simple as inserting them straight down into the PCB. Don't worry if you bend a pin, you can always bend it back into place. And these are the keycaps that we'll be using for this build, just a cheap set I found on Amazon. Alright, so now let's get into the pricing. The GK61X kit that I bought off Banggood.com retails at $52.99. The Gatoron Yellow switches retail at $22.99 for a pack of 70 switches. The keycaps, $24.99, and that brings our grand total to $100.97. And of course, you always can go a step further in case you do want to lube your switches. You can pick up a lube starter pack from Keybo.store for $20, and that comes with essentially everything you need to get started to lube switches. Comes with a brush, your lube, and a key switch opener. All in all, if this hobby has ever piqued your interest, I highly recommend you build at least one keyboard, and this is a great place to start. Once again, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Please leave any questions or comments you have down in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next one.